I'm ABC 15's Ashley Holden here near Rural and Guadalupe, and this is the kind of widespread damage that we are seeing. Huge trees toppled over, sometimes even into homes, and this after a microburst hit Tempe on Monday. We spoke with people that are now dealing with major damage to their homes.
It sounded like a freight train.
I thought it was like a hurricane.
That's how people describe Monday afternoon storm.
There was a rush of air that came into the house, and then I could smell water, I could smell pine trees.
Tommy Andazola and his pug Moxie were in their Tempe home when tree branches burst through the front window.
And I couldn't get out my front door because all the trees were blocking the door here.
Even now, they have a tree leaning up against their home.
They were going to bring a crane to take it off.
This is the second time in recent weeks that their home was damaged due to storms.
The devastation that this one did, there's people that air conditioning units are toppled off the second story roofs.
That's what happened to Lucky Adams. His home is in the same area.
When I was all done and looked outside, I was like, wow, my air conditioner came off the roof. And that wasn't the case. It actually came off my neighbor's roof.
The unit creating a hole in the roof before destroying his awning.
That's a pretty heavy thing. I don't know how much it weighs. Luckily, it didn't take the wall out and nobody got hurt.
Just miles away, this apartment complex near Mill and Southern also hit. People here say they may need help, with money already tight for many. The Red Cross also opening a shelter. We were told Tuesday about 24 people had stopped by.
He's kept my spirits up.
The Andazola family and Lucky both able to remain in their homes and are working with insurance.
It could have been a lot worse.
But they know, like so many, there's lots of work ahead. In Tempe, Ashley Holden, ABC 15, Arizona.